Good morning, friends. Hope everything is going well. Wish you all the best. Today, we may discuss something about the PF amount of the employees who are having salaries of less than 15,000 per month to be paid by Government of India due to this COVID-19. I may clarify that central government has declared and announced that PF of the employees whose salary is less than 15,000 per month and in establishments where strength is less than 100 workers is to be paid by the Government of India. Now, what will be its taxability position as per Income Tax Act? There are two things. One is for the employee and one is for the employer. For the employee, I may clarify that the amount paid by Government of India on behalf of the employer to the employees or through the employer to the employees shall not be taxable in the hands of the employees, as it will be exempt under section 10 subsection 10BC, which allows a special exemption under the Disaster Management Act, and COVID has been declared as a natural calamity and covered under the Disaster Management Act. So employees need not worry. The amount paid into their PF account by the government through the employer shall not be taxable separately. However, employees shall not be able to avail 80C exemption on this amount, as the said amount is already exempt from income. This must be kept in mind. Now, from the employer side, there is hardly any taxability which may arise, because the amount received from the Government of India to be paid as PF of employees shall be taken as income on the one side of the profit and loss account, and the amount deposited in employees account shall be taken as expense on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Hence, the effect will be neutralized for the employers.